Hi, hello. Welcome to my channel Satvika Gnanam. Today, let us know about the important shloka to be recited before going to bed. Here, we learn about shloka, its meaning, details, and the benefits. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. The meaning of this shloka is like this. I bow down to the Divine Mother, that is Goddess Durga, who is residing in every being in the form of sleep. I bow down to her again and again. The details of the shloka is like this. This is a powerful shloka from Durga Saptashti. This verse addresses Mother Divine, Goddess Durga, as the form of sleep. As a sleep, she is present in every being. The benefit of this shloka is like this. By chanting this shloka before going to bed, it gives good sleep and also avoid bad dreams. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Like, share, comment, and please click the bell icon for all the notifications. Thank you.